Well, அப்படியே இருக்கும் no issue. கட் பண்றேன். கரெக்ட்டா இருக்கா?
கரெக்ட்டா இருக்கு.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back, and today I have come up with an unboxing of a TV which is Kodak 32-inch smart LED TV. I'm going to make an unboxing of this, and I bought it in Amazon. I got it for good discounted price, 11,500 rupees. I was looking for other products also like MI and other thing, but I felt this is the like a normal one, which is not even so cheap or not too high. Because I wanted to give this to my uncle who stays in my native Sakleshpur. So I bought this. I'm gonna make the unboxing of this, and before that, I really like to thank you everyone. Because of you guys have supported me, I have reached 37,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much for your love and support. I expect the same love and support to my other videos also. And do check my new channel, which is Royal Legend Motorcycle Club. So that is based on only the traveling which I do and the bike rides which I do. And do support me, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you can get all my latest notification on both my channels. So let's begin, guys. So here comes the product itself. So as I said, this is Kodak LED TV. The serial number is XSM. This is XSMART series, and I'm going to tell you the model number of this. So it's 32HDXSMART. That is the model number of this TV. So we'll stop wasting the time and let me do the unboxing. It's a sealed pack. The box looks little dirty, but you can look at the pack. It's a sealed pack. I hope this is not a like a rejected piece, where in the few products on the online, what they do is they send a product to customer. If they send it back telling they didn't like the quality or they didn't like the product, that time they do a second round of quality check and restore it, and again it will be sent to another customer. So but I see the seal is still there. The seal is intact. The seal is not yet broken. So this is how you can find out the seal. If you can see, you can just come closer and check here. So this is the main seal, the thread over here, which you can see. So it's time to open the tape and cut the tape. So I'll be doing a self installation for this. So this is how you open the seal, and I'm gonna take this TV out. So it has mentioned over here as front. Okay, so this is the front part. First I'm gonna fold this, and you should be very careful when making an unboxing of TV. So I'm using this table, but make sure you like flip this on the normal surface, the plain surface. There are very chances of damage. So make sure you take a help of someone, but I do this by my own. So this is how you have to lift it. Be very careful when you lift. So I have opened this, and let me show you how this looks. So as I told, this is the front part. I'm gonna cut the tape, the cello tape we just stick over here. Should be very careful while opening it. So I have removed the upper thermocol, and this is the LED part, the screen part. Okay, and I'm gonna take this TV So it's lightweight. Here the TV comes. So I see some finger marks over here. I think someone has used or sent it back, I think so. I see some scratch over here. I thought it's a sealed box, but it has some scratches too. I'm getting a call. Okay. So yeah, apart from that, there is no damage. I mean to say the physical damage. I don't know how internal is, but I see there are a lot of scratches on the TV. I think it's a protective sticker which is stick. I hope there is no damage or anything on this. I feel that this has been used because you can see the edges, everything. But let's see if it's working fine, no issues, because as I told you, that is how it works. And here are the stuffs. Here is the TV side panel, crucial and user manual and the remote. Let me try to open this. Okay, so here comes two side panels. I mean the stand. I have not got the wall mounting bracket over here. This is the two stands which will be mounted over here at the bottom where the entire TV holds. It has a left and right over here. Using the left and right thing, you can install this. Yeah, I think this is how it will be installed. This is how it has to be fixed over here. Using the given screw at both the corners. You have a screw over here. And let me just keep this apart. Let's check the remote. So even though it's a smart TV, the remote is very basic. It's not that a great quality when you compare to LG and Sony. The remote built-in quality and the plastic, which is not that great, but it's pretty decent for the price. Even remote, I see it was already opened. Someone has already opened the box. And here is the warranty card, everything, and there are two shells. So maybe the team who's gonna visit, they will sign this warranty part. So this was a quick unboxing, and hope you guys like this video. And okay, I'm sorry, I missed out something. The box over here. I think this is the wall mounting bracket maybe. I thought the bracket is not yet given. Let me see. Okay. Yes guys, this is a very simple, cheap wall mounting bracket. This will be the main rod. You can see it will be fixed, and these are the clamp which will hang the TV. So yeah, this will hold the TV because it's a very lightweight, and there are some bushes over here which will give a back support, and there are screws, and there is a plastic katta, or what do you call the screw bit something. So that's all on this box, and thank you so much for watching this video, wherein you guys made yourself free to watch this complete video, and hope this was useful to you. And please do give me a thumbs up if you like. If you don't like, please let me know why you didn't like and what best or a better way I would have done this. So that's it for this guys. It's a normal 2-pin socket. It has, I'm going to show you over here. I can come a little closer. Here is the audio output. There is two USB port. This is audio video outputs, which is AV1 and AV2. You can connect your DVD and setup box, or setup box and other stuff for gaming, everything. And there is one over here also for audio. There are three HDMI ports, 1 2 3. Here is the AC in, which is the current. There is the earphone socket over here. There is the internet RJ45 socket, and that's it. The buttons. Okay, this is the remote TV remote sensor over here, the white plastic part, and I'm finding the switches. I don't know where the switches are. Okay, so I think there is no manual button for this. How come? Okay, yeah, it's over here. I missed it. So you can see here there is on off. There's the volume channel first, the volume button. This is the channel button, and this is the menu button, and this is the power on and off button. So as I told you, it's a very normal, cheap quality. I mean, it's a very decent, simple one. It's not that compared to other TVs, it's not that great. But compared to the price, this is how it is. So let me just put it to the socket and test it once. If I can see something on this. So I put it to the socket. I think it's time to turn on. Okay, the power source is not working, I think. Okay, it's fine now. So I don't see any dots or anything. It says Smart TV. Over here you can see the details. And let's wait. Okay, there is no any blind spots over there. As I told, it's a Smart TV. It has inbuilt apps. Okay, the time. Okay, now it's 6:30, but it has picked 5:30 a.m. I think this is the timing which has been taken, I think so. So, okay. You can use the volume down to change the screens. Okay, there is an inbuilt app here. As I told you, it's a Smart TV. You can download applications, you can browse YouTube, and you can browse other social media websites also. Only thing, it has to be connected